Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Carl again today, and today we've had a package and we partly opened it by mistake. So I've had two packages come today, one for me and one for him. So what we're going to do today, we are chasing another vacuum cleaner at the moment, that's gone missing unfortunately, but so we thought it was that one, so I'm just going to open this one up. It's like a parcel this one, because it's got another parcel inside.
Just open, get it!
Right. And
Open it!
I'll have a scissors.
No! Get it out the box!
Alright.
No, just pick the box out!
So yeah, we got past the parcel here today. Just check there's nothing else in there. Oh, there's a nice box there. I think he wanted it to make sure it got here in one piece. It's a fairly less common Hoover.
Who got it all?
I got it from eBay, but it's a less common one. Not been. This is a different colour scheme of a Hoover Junior, but it's a less common one. It's not perfect, but
help me!
It's pretty good. Yeah, hang on.
There.
Got it open. That. Got it open.
Bang!
Oh, we got them beauties up. Bit of stress from school. Get that stress from school out the way.
And that's how I do it with families.
Right.
No! Where? Nope. Where? Right.
Right. Let's get this one out. There we have it. You may have recognised this one because Cole has a burgundy and pink one, and this is the grey one. Oh, we got some cheap Hoover bags there. Oh, they're coming handy. 3 packs of bags. Look how old these bags are. Look. Centurion Kekos, 90p. Look.
I don't even know that pop paper.
So if anybody wants some of these bags, give us a shout, and I'm sure we could send them to people, because we only have genuine Hoover bags in the machine, don't you? Oh.
Bang! We're doing these little families.
So we're going to build this one then. I think it's got everything there, look. Right, so we can take the bag out, and I'll take this last bit, look. So the paintwork's pretty good condition. The age, it's got like an off grey colour.
Who want the bags?
Yeah, the bag, I'm going to have to do some sewing on that one.
Hey, you can't open it.
Smells alright, doesn't it? You got the genuine Hoover bag in it? Yes, look at that, look. Genuine Hoover bag, look. So that saves it from Carl's secret stash.
Hey.
Oh, well, we can do them. I know what we can do with them. We can put them in some of the other ones with a bag conversion.
Yep, bye!
So
bye!
Yeah, they do come in handy.
Bye, dumb cap!
They also come in handy for other cleaners to cut down.
Look, that's how dirt it's got on it.
See that one there, the original one, his other one had a metal one. That's it. So we're going to put
my
this...
other one's got metal one of these on it.
Yeah.
No, what it looks like. Yeah.
Right, so what we'll do
It's
now...
not got a little better one there. It's not got a little nail bit in it.
It don't matter about that because we've got parts. So what we'll do, we'll pause this one to cut the video time down, and we'll try and build this one. Well, Carl's off doing some other tasks for the minute, so I'll just show you quickly. This is a 1334A, and this is like the second one, because this one is grey, and then later on they come out with one that was they did like a green one after that, which I've shown you, which we broke down for parts. But this one, I should imagine, is probably an early 60s machine. I might be wrong. It's got the large Hoover roundel on the front, but mind you, it's made of plastic. So I'm going to have to do some homework on this one. But yeah, it's a 1334A in grey. A Battleship Grey in it, the colour. They also did a senior in that colour as well. And the belt on it will stretch, and in the house I've got a brand new genuine old stock Hoover belt to go on it, because it's got the Hoover logo printed actually on the belt with the model numbers, so it is the new old stock. So say what, mate, you can put some of that on the ground and we can give it a quick go, because we will do a follow-up video, because I would like to address some of this here, see if I can improve the look of this bit here.
Spider.
So what I'm probably going to do is it looks like it's a different colour, so I'm going to have to maybe cut it back or something.
Hey, I'm going to make some mess.
Go on then. And if you had smell-o-vision, they've put some sort of unstoppables or something in it, because I'll tell you what, it's got a lovely aroma. You can see he's washed the bag because it has faded a little bit, but it's not bad, because this machine is over 50 years old. And considering it's all, you know, I have something 50 years old, it even got the original flex, because it's got the ribbed flex on it, so it's going to be a light restoration on this one. I might just take it apart and re-grease it again. Right, I'm going to vacuum this up there now, mate. So we will do a follow-up video after I've gone through it a bit more.
Go watch it.
See if we can get it running a bit better.
Let's watch it.
I think it will, because it's a dirty fan, isn't it? Oh yeah, the handle release is broken on it, and there is a national shortage on handle releases as well, so I know where to get them from.
Now see
But they're a bit expensive.
Hit push button.
Go on then. I'm gonna have to do some work to the bag.
Look, nothing.
Gone.
Look.
I'm gonna have to do some work to the bag. This is hanging out, so I'm gonna have to do some sewing.
In, out.
Yeah.
In, out. In, out. In, out.
Because that one there, the 1334A, was the first time they had this style of bag clip on them.
Hey.
So I'm gonna give it another one. We will empty the bag after anyway. What's it, that one, doesn't it? So what do you say now? Bye for now, and please subscribe to Vacuum Man 8, because this one again
It's demolition.
we will do a bit more work on this one. This I'm gonna have to, like you say, I think it's an early 60s model. I think the 1334A came out in 62, I think. I'm not too sure if it's round about that age. So this is the first one, the grey one. And we've got a manual to go with this one as well, haven't we? So we'll get the manual out as well.
I think we got the one for the pink one.
Yeah, but that's, yeah, because they did a pink one. Yeah, because they did a grey one, and then he went to the green after that. So this is like the first version of it, because it's got the metal casing on it. What are you saying now? Bye for now? Bye!